With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, our question is the number of nearest neighbors of each atom in cubic close packing, that is the CCP, and the body center cubic arrangement, that is the BCC, is respectively, and here are the options. So here is the solution. We know that the number of the nearest neighbor of an atom is known as the coordination number, that is the coordination number. So here we have to find out the coordination number of CCP and BCC, and here we know that the CCP have ABC type arrangement, whereas the BCC have AB type arrangement. Here in CCP the coordination number is 12, while in BCC the coordination number is 8, and the reason behind is that in BCC one atom is present at the body center. Therefore we can say that one atom is present at body center, which is surrounded by the 8 atoms at the corner. Therefore it's surrounded by 8 corner atoms. Hence we can say that here the coordination number in BCC is 8. Here we know that in CCP a sphere is in contact with 6 other spheres in its own layer. Therefore we can say that this is a sphere. It is surrounded by 6 other spheres in its own layer. This is the atom, and it is surrounded by the 6 atoms in its own layer, and it is also surrounded by the 3 atoms of the layer present above it and the 3 atoms of the layer present below it. Thus from here we can say that here the coordination number is 12, that is the 6 in its own layer, 3 in above layer, and 3 in below the layer. So here the total coordination number in CCP is 12 over here. Thus from here we can say that here the correct option is option second, that is the 12 and 8. So this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.